Should you fix a vintage amp or sell it? Well, this question comes from Jasper in the Netherlands, and Jasper writes, "Hey Paul, I have a JVC AXE71 integrated amplifier. I love the way it works, and it has the exact number of connectors that I use, but it's starting to break down on some parts. The thing is, I have a lot of emotional value with it. Do you recommend buying a new amp or let it get fixed because of the emotional value and the number of connectors? Thank you for all the stuff I've learned, Jasper." Wow, that's a tough one. I certainly wouldn't let the number of connectors stop me, because a modern integrated amplifier can be had with any number, probably more connectors than what you can wind up with on your JVC. That said, this whole thing that we do, this reproduction of music in our homes, is an emotional experience. We create these, I think they're works of art, I love them, but we create these products to bring joy and music and to recreate the sound of music in our living room. And it's for people who actually care about it. Because let's face it, the majority of people out there treat their music systems with no more respect than they do their dishwasher or their Vitamix. It's an appliance, right? You got your Sonos, you got your little stupid speaker. I mean, look at this piece of crap. It's one of our tech benches, and they just listen for background. But I mean, this is a joke. This speaker is an appliance. It's no more interesting than a slicer dicer to most people, right? It's just something that makes music. I bet if you asked 99% of the people on the planet, what do you have at home for music? They go, I don't know, my phone. They don't know, they don't care, and that's okay, right? That's okay. They've got their own hobbies and passions. But you, Jasper, are passionate about it. And so I guess I would fix it. There's a wonderfulness to vintage audio equipment. And even if you don't tell your vintage audio equipment and you go out and you buy a new one and you have it around and use it, keep the vintage guy. Honor that piece of equipment because you are emotionally involved with it and you love it, and that's what this is all about. That's my advice. Okay, thanks. Have fun. And send me a picture of it if you get a chance. Just paul@psaudio.com. Just send me a picture. I'd love to see it. Okay. Thanks. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.